Good morning, all of you. So please wait for 3 minutes. People are joining. All of you getting my screen, sir? So please confirm in the chat. Fine. Just 1 minute. Still people are joining. But just reading this as day-7. Yes, sir, we'll start now. In our last class, day before yesterday, we discussed about list operations and tuple operations. Okay. So as list is a mutable object, which allows you read, append, update, and delete. But tuple does not allow all these things. Tuple allows only read-only operation. But indirect ways are there to update, to append, okay, and to delete. So what's the way we followed? First, we converted the tuple into list. After that, we perform our action, again reconverting into tuple. On that way, by using indirect way, you need to perform other operations. So still two things are pending. That is the dictionary and set. Today we do that one. So next collection object is DICT. DICT is short name for dictionary. So here dictionary meaning is a collection of key and value pairs. key and value pairs. So the symbol for this curly brackets. Start with left curly bracket and close with right curly bracket. Between them, key and value. So if it is key and value, there are two rules for this. Rule number one, key is unique. That is no duplicates here. And value can be duplicated. So these two rules we need to remember for a dictionary. Now let's see how to create a small sample dictionary. For example, I am taking your qualifications. Starting with this symbol. Your qualification name, that means label, as key. The year of passed out. Let's say 2016 is passed out. That is value. Similarly, after that you did EdTech. This is key. The value I am keeping here 2018. Next MBA. Let's say 2020. Now this dictionary has three pairs, three elements. Each element is a pair. Key value, key value. Always first one is key, second one is value. Okay. Just check. Len of qualification. How many number of elements are there? Totally there are three. So how to read dictionary? So by passing key, you will get value. That means if key is passed, you get value. Value will be written here. So generally, if it is a list or tuple, by using index numbers, we are accessing it. But here index numbers are not allowed. For example, I am trying with the index number 0. I don't get it because index numbers are not valid. Only keys you need to pass. I'm passing a key, just passing BTech. I get value. Look into this BTech, the 2016 is the value. Similarly, one more thing I will pass MBA. MBA value is 2020 here. I am getting this. And qualification of MTech. The MTech passed out here, I will get here. That means whenever I pass key, I get value. For example, some unavailable key I have passed. For example, a qualification of PhD I have passed. The PhD key is not available in the dictionary. I will get key here. Got it? This is key here. Key error. Key error means key not found. Okay. So to get all the keys, still other operations are there. I will show you one by one. Don't worry. Because step by step, I will come to each point. There you will see. And one more example. Let's look into this. For example, I am taking some products. A products dictionary. For example, I have a product P1. But in the place of value, I am keeping some tuple. Again, P2 is another product. In the place of value, I am keeping a tuple. And P3 is a key. The value is a tuple. But in the tuple, some heterogeneous items I am giving. For example, P1 is a TV. The product description. and label, let's say LG. LG is the brand and the price 40,000. Now in the place of value, a tuple is placed here. Similarly, P2 is a laptop. The brand is Dell and price is 90,000. Think that P3 is our mobile phone. The brand is Vivo. The price is 50,000. Now here also I have totally 3 pairs. It doesn't matter how many pairs that you are keeping. I have 3 pairs here. So I want to know complete description of P2. So P2 details I want. Simply pass that key. Products of P2. The value is a tuple. I will get a tuple here. Got it? For example, if I ask the question like this, P2 price I want. So price of P2 I want. Other here, products. If I pass P2, I will get a tuple. But in the tuple, there are 3 things. Product description and brand and then price. Price is third. One more index. That is a tuple. The return of that is a tuple. From that tuple, I want last one. That's why I am saying that minus. I will get a price here. Got it? If I pass P3, same thing, I will get a tuple. Okay. Because index number is not allowed, then how slicing is allowed? Slicing, index numbers, all these things are invalid for a dictionary. That is what our beginning statement. Okay. So only by passing the keys, you should get values, right? Okay. Look into this one. So please concentrate on running topic, please. The products. I'm brand for P3 brand I want. What is the brand of P3? I will type over here. Brand of P3, which is for your mobile. So whenever I pass key, I get value. Value is a tuple. In that tuple, the brand is second one. Second one means index number 1 you are giving. So Vivo is the brand here. Got it. Similarly, this is the way how to get a particular key. Now getting all keys I have. Just products for this, there is a predefined method for this object, that is keys. You get only the keys now, P1, P2, P3. It is saying that a dict underscore keys of some wrapper object it is showing. If you convert this into list, you will get the list. That will be converted into list object. A list of product dot keys. A list object will be written. And similarly, all values you want to get, directly apply the function products dot values. Only values you will be getting. But the values are, each value is a tuple. Okay. Just apply this list function. The wrapper will be cleared. List of products dot values. I'm getting only the values. Okay. So here I want to find out average cost of all products. All products. So to do this, first of all, you have to separate these prices. Got it. So for this, the transformation technique we are applying. I'm going to separate the prices, price, expression, and for loop. What is the for loop over here? For the V is here tuple in products dot values. So totally it has three values. At each iteration value is coming into V, but V is a tuple. I want to take only the price. V data type is tuple here. V of minus only prices you will be getting. Look into this. Only prices have been separated. For this price, I am applying total. Total is sum of price. And number of elements, len of price. And average, total divided by, yeah. Now finally you are printing average cost. Average cost of all the products, that is AVG. So in this way you can perform operations. 48,333 points something. This is average cost. Just I am applying int function for the average to get only the integer part. 48,333 is the average cost of all the products. Okay. Now, one more example I am going to show. Look into the products. I have 3 pages. Only 3 products that I have. I am saying that P4. Actually, P4 product is not available. I will get key error. Got it. So if such kind of statement is applied in our program, if anywhere, if that particular key is not available, you will get this error so that a program execution will be stopped. So that means your application execution will be stopped. That's why here we are using different techniques. Observe this one. I'm saying products dot get. Instead of directly passing that key, I'm passing the same key into the get function. I'm passing P1. P1 is available. I will get that product. I will get that value. One more try. Just do it. Products dot get off. P3. Still P3 available, so that you will get value. And products dot get off. P4 I am passing, but P4 not available. But still I don't get error. I got one empty object. That empty object is called non, N-O-N-E. Okay. That means if key not available, so the behavior of this get function, if key available, it returns value. If not available, it returns empty object. That is called non. N-O-N-E. It's a predefined literal in the Python, which represents empty. So based on this conditionally, you can manipulate that. Observe here, I'm taking product ID something, which is P1. Checking with if condition. If products dot get off that product ID equals to non. Equals to non means that is not available. Then I am printing PID is not available. Else means if the above condition false means that P1 is already there. Then P1 I am printing that product PID. But we need to pass into the dictionary products of PID. Up to now, just check it. The product ID value is P1. P1 I am passing as a key here into the get function. But P1 available, that's why it has to show me the product details. Okay. Let me check with other thing. This time I am giving P4. Actually, P4 is not there. That's why the given condition is true. If it is true, it is saying that P4 is not available. Just check this. P4 is not available. I did not get any error here. This is one way. There is second way. Second way to find availability of a key. Observe this one. If key, like let's say P1 is my key. If P in, first without if condition, just only apply the condition. P in dictionary. What is the dictionary? Products. If I run this, so products has three keys, P1, P2, P3. Among P1, P2, P3, P1 is available or not, it will check it. So P1 is a string value. I'm keeping that into the quotes. Now check this. It is saying that true. That means P1 is available. Similarly, check with the other thing which is not available. Let's say P4. P4 in products. Saying that false. That means P4 is not available. Same logic you can apply there. Let's say PID equal to something. P1 initially. If PID in my dictionary, which is products. If this condition is true, I'm printing that products of PID. Else means the particular product is not available. Then print it as not available. The PID is not available. Now run this. Now P1 is available, you will get information. Same thing I am testing with P4. Now in this case, this condition is false. Because of false, else part will be executed. So that it say that P4 is not available. So in this way, you can do that one. Okay, now you know how to read data from a dictionary. So what is the way? If I pass key, I will get value. How to get all the keys? The dictionary dot keys function. To get all the values, the dictionary dot values. I'm taking our bank accounts. So 101, 80,000 is balance amount. 102 is account number and 20,000 is balance amount. And 103 is account number, 90,000 is balance. Or 80,000 I am keeping. Already in the beginning, the dictionary rules we discussed. What is that? Key should be unique, value can be duplicated. Here 101 balance 80,000, 103 balance also 80,000. So that valid. For example, one more 101 I have given, what happens? You just tell me. Actually, key should be unique here. 101, 10,000 or 1 lakh I have given. Total I have given 4 pages. In fact, it takes only 3 pages. Just check this. Because key is unique. It has taken what? 101, the last pair it has taken. Got it? So our rule is key should be unique, value can be duplicated. Understood? Okay, now I have three pairs here. How to insert a new pair? How to insert a new pair? Now look into this 101, 102, 103. I have only three pairs. Now I am giving 104, which is a new key, equal to. That means that during assignment, if the given key not available, a new pair will be created. For example, as initial deposit, he is depositing 30,000. Now check the bank. You will see four pairs. Got it? 104, 30,000 is inserted. I want to update a particular key, value of a key. Update value of a key. So here the task is like this. Update 103 balance as 90,000. Check this, bank of 103. 103 already available. Because of availability, it will update. I'm replacing with 90,000. Previously 80,000, now latest value is 90,000. Got it? That is 90,000. So how it knows? Because for the insertion of a new pair, same statement. For update also, same statement we have applied. How it knows? Like in this moment, I have to create. In this moment, I have to update. How it knows? The rule is like this. The thumb rule. If given key exists, value will be updated. Same thing I am reversing. If given key does not exist, a new pair will be created. A new key value pair will be created. That is what happened in the previous two statements. In the first trial, the 104 is inserted. In the second, 103 value is updated. Okay. Now, already our dictionary has totally four pairs here. Now, what is the total amount? The task is like this. What is total amount available with bank? That means sum of all the balance amounts. So to get all the values, what is our statement? Bank dot values. When you say values, all values you will be getting. Apply the sum function for this. Total equal to sum. The total balance you will be getting. Now print total. So total balance amount with the bank is 2,40,000 rupees. Okay. For example, I want to update. Give, okay, some 10% or like 101 deposited. 20,000. What is old balance of 101, sir? Here. What is old balance of 101? 1 lakh. Now 101 is depositing. So that what should be the latest balance of 101? 1 lakh plus 20, which is 1,20,000. So that means now this is a time to update the value. So bank of 101 plus C equals to, that means to the existed value, that operation has to be done. The 20,000 he is depositing. Now latest value of 101, that should be 1,20,000. Observe here, 1,20,000. Similarly, 103 is withdrawing 30,000. Withdrawing means, suppose if you withdraw 30,000, the 90,000 minus 30,000, which is 60,000. Okay. Observe this statement. The bank of 103 minus equal to this term. Minus equal to, suppose 30,000 is withdrawn. Now check the things. Okay. 103 latest balance, that is 60,000. Now the task is like this: give 10% bonus to all account holders. So for every person to their registered balance, the 10% bonus I wanted to give. Okay, this is the task. Now the transformation technique we need to follow. Bank equal to. So before performing this, in a normal way, we will see first how to iterate a loop through the dictionary you just observed. For K in bank, I am saying. Bank is a dictionary, just to print only the key. At each iteration, it takes only the key part. First iteration 101, second 102, third 103, fourth 104. Got it. Okay, along with the key, I want to print values also. Just try this. Key in bank, colon. Here I am printing K, bank of K. Now K is a key. If you pass that key into the dictionary, you will get balance amount also. Just check this up to now. Okay. Now I want to give 10% bonus. I want to add 10% values. Mr. Vikas, don't say values. If you say values, that cannot be iterated. Okay. Just to pass that key into the bank. You want to get all the balance amounts as a single list, then pass dot values function. Okay, along with the key, you want to map with the key, map with the value. This is the technique you need to follow. Okay. Now where we are? Wave 1 I am showing you. I want to update all the values. 10% bonus I want to give. For K in bank. Bank of K. That means first in the first iteration, the key value is 101. Whenever you say bank of K, 101 balance amount you will get. For that plus equals to, because you want to give increment. For the current balance, you are giving 10% increment. Now check the bank. Print bank. So for 1,20,000, 10% is added, which is 12,000. Similarly, for 20,000, 10% is added. Now it is 22,000. Like this happened to each and every account holder. Right? This way to update all the values. This technique you need to follow. Let's try with this another style. Bank equal to is a dictionary. Expression and for loop. So same transformation technique. What is the for loop here? For K in bank. Okay. So each key is taken into the K. I want balance up. I want balance up. Bank dot bank of K into point. Up to now, you just observe what happens. Just try to print the value. It is not accepting. For K in bank, up to now this is valid. Okay. If I make this like this, here expression is required. I am saying that bank of K into 0.1. Now check this up to now. Back. This kind of loop is valid only for the list object. Observe this. List of bank you apply. List of bank. So previously, whenever you run the first time, because that is converted into set object, you have given only single expression. That's why I rerun this and manipulate this. Where is our bank? Bank beginning exam. Here. Total I have 4 pairs now. Observe this one, list of bank now. Previously dictionary, now it is taking only list of keys. Now zip of bank dot keys, comma, bank dot values are. Now run this and test it. One bracket is missing, I think. Yes. Now what is this? Previously it was dictionary, now it is a list of tuples. If it is list of tuples, you can write a for loop for K comma B in. So account number is coming into key, the balance amount is coming into value. To that existed value, what I wanted to give. First K as usual I want. In the place of value, I want V into V plus V into 0.1. That means to the existed value, I am giving 10% increment. Just check the difference. Now 10% is added to each one. Got it? Again, this thing I am converting into dictionary. Let's treat it as bank. I'm storing everything into bank. Now print the bank value, you will get again dictionary. But second way is seems to be some lengthy and complex. The first way is very simple. In first way, what we have done, we are running a loop through the each key. After that, we are taking existed amount. For that, you are adding the 10% of increment. Okay, that is updated. So here the value is 1 lakh. For 1 lakh, 10% is added. For 20,000, 10% is added. And that way, for each value, the 10% amount is added here. So this technique you can follow. Okay, whatever the statement that you are comfortable, you can use that one. This is way. So in this way, you can update a single value and multiple values at a time. Once again, I am taking your bank accounts. Let's say it's a fresh empty dictionary. Think that your bank doesn't have any customers up to now. No customers, zero customers. That's why this empty object. This is empty dictionary object. Len of ACCS accounts is 0. I'm taking some variables here, account number and mode of transaction. Maybe it might be a deposit or it might be withdraw, or you want to check only your balance amount like this. I'm trying to include all the operations into one program. So in this case, like think that he is going to deposit. And which what is the amount? Suppose the amount is 10,000. See, I am checking here whether this account number 101 available or not. To check that, I am applying the accounts dot get. Already I have demonstrated this. Get of account number equals to none. None means that is not available. If not available, first time I want to deposit, I want to create a new account. Okay, I want to create a new account. But when I have to create, if the mode is deposit, then only I have to create it. That's why if mode is equal to deposit, the account is not available. At the same time, mode is deposit. That means a new page should be created here. ACCS of account number equals to the balance, that amount. So this is the case when account is not there and mode is deposit. For example, the account is not there, but at the same time mode is not deposit. Got it? I'm saying that else if mode equal to withdraw. Is it valid operation? Not valid operation. Because account not available, he cannot withdraw anything. That's why I'm printing a message, print account number is invalid. Got it? Here in Python, elif means else and if combination, that is called elif. Okay? Come to the next level. Again, condition false else. If mode is equal to balance, if mode equal to balance, without account number, you cannot check the balance amount. The balance amount is invalid. Again, I am printing the account number is invalid. The output expected for withdraw and output expected for balance is same. That's why I am removing this. I will plan the condition here itself. If mode equal to withdraw or mode equal to transfer, not transfer, balance. Then I am printing this message. Account number is invalid. Got it? It's all the story if the first condition, which is account is not available. Okay. For example, the first condition, high level condition is false. If the condition false means account number already there, then I am writing else here. Got it? Else. Again, I am checking with if mode equal to a deposit. Now tell me, sir, your account number is already there. Once again, you are doing deposit. Then what should happen? To the existed balance, the given amount should be added. Okay. That's why the accounts of account number plus equals to the existed amount, you are adding that amount like this. Right? Again, if mode is not deposit, else and if, simply I am saying that elif mode equal to withdraw. Suppose your account already available, balance amount 20,000. Now you want to withdraw 5,000. What should happen? The 5,000 should be deducted from 20,000. Got it. At the same time, you need to check if the amount is less than or equal to your available balance or not. If amount less than or equals to existed balance of account, then only this withdrawal should happen. Okay, then you are deducting that amount. Accounts of account number minus equals to amount. For example, this condition is false. The amount less than or equal to balance amount. That condition is false. Then it has to say print insufficient funds. Got it. Again, this condition is false. That means mode is not withdrawal. Suppose mode is balance. Then it has to show the balance amount. Print balance amount of account number is accounts of account number. I will get balance. Observe here. This is the example. If within that another if, again if condition false, one more if. This is called nested if. I am doing a first trial. So here we will print the balance amount, that entire accounts. Initially, I don't have any accounts, zero accounts. First time I am doing this operation. 101 mode is deposit, but 101 not available. So that what will happen? The condition is true here. Again, if it is checking mode equal to deposit. Yes. Then a new pair will be inserted. Then it will come out. Just run this. First time 101 will be presented into dictionary. Now he is the first customer in the bank. He has deposited 10,000. Same thing one more. I am doing with this 102. Still it is deposit. The amount is 30,000. So what conditions have been true? The first condition true. Again came to the next. Again true. So that a new pair will be inserted. Just run and test it. 102 first time inserted. Okay, one more trial. I'm keeping 103. But he is giving the operation called withdraw. But 103 not available here. That's why first condition true. Because accounts dot get off non equal account number equal to none. That means that is not available. Condition true. But mode is not deposit. Condition false. It came to here. Mode is withdraw or balance. Condition true. So what will be printed? Account number is invalid. Because without account, he cannot withdraw anything. So that it has to say account number is invalid. Check this please. What is the output? 103 is invalid. That means that is a wrong operation. Even if you give balance also here for 103, the same thing will happen. Okay, now I am giving as deposit. Deposit. Amount is 40,000. Now 103 pair will be inserted. Okay. Right. Next, I want to withdraw sir for the existing account. 101. What is the latest balance? You just check it for 101. 101 latest balance 10,000 rupees. But mistakenly he wants to withdraw 12,000 rupees. That too mode is withdraw. What should happen now? Condition false because 101 already available. It come to the else part. Mode is deposit. Condition false. It will come to this condition. Mode is withdraw. Condition true. Mode is withdraw. Condition is true. Because of condition true, it will come to balance check. His amount is 10,000. 10,000 is less than or equals to, sorry, his requested amount is 12,000. 12,000 is less than or equals to 10,000. Condition false. Because of false, it will say insufficient funds. So that no operation has been happened. Still his balance is old amount, which is 10,000. Just run this. What is the output? Just check. Insufficient funds. Still the balance is 10,000. Okay, now he is going to modify that. He is making this as 9,000 or 8,000. Now, this condition is true now. Because of true, from the existed balance, it is deducting that 8,000. So that what should be the latest balance? 2,000. Now run this. Check this now. Now latest balance of 101, 2,000 because 8,000 is withdrawn. Understood. Next, the case is about 102. He doesn't want to perform any operation. He wants balance check, that's it. The amount doesn't matter. He wants to check the balance. 102. Balance amount of 102 is 30,000. All of you understood? This is a style how nested ifs will work out. So we applied this example on the dictionary with all possible operations like incrementing, decrementing, and getting the value. That means a deposit, withdraw, and balance check. That with nested ifs we have done. Understood or not? Please confirm. Now, based on this, I want to give one assignment. Assignment. We add one more feature for the above program. The feature is the program should include four features. Already three features we have. Already we have the three features. What are the three features? We have a feature for deposit, feature for balance check, and feature for, what is the last one? Withdraw. Now I want additionally account transfer. Transfer account. Transfer money from one account to other account. So you need to validate like this. For example, available accounts. One zero one, 102, and 103. Thing at 104. Suppose amount transfer from 101 to 104 is valid. Suppose you are trying to transfer from 103 to 105 is invalid because 105 account is not available. Whenever I transfer, two updates should be done. from the source account, amount should be deducted. From the target to the target amount, amount should be added. Okay. So that kind of transfer functionality just implemented. If you do small change in the above code, you will get it. Right. So this is the story about a dictionary. Next, one more collection is pending for us. That is set object. Set is a collection of unique values. Set is a collection of unique values. The symbol, as usual, same as dictionary here. The symbol is this one, curly brackets. But in the dictionary, you have key and value here, only values will be there. In the dictionary, each element is a pair. The pair has two things, key, value. But in the set, each element is a value, that's it. That means single value. Let's say S equal to, I'm keeping some values here, 10, 20, 30, again 10, 10 again, 10 again, 20, and 40. Observe here, 10 repeated for four times, 2 times, 31 time, and 41 time. But it takes, so set is a collection of unique values, it takes only a uniqueness. Just check the values of the S. So no duplicates. Previously 10 multiple times you have given, but it has taken only single. Got it? 20 also 2 times, it has taken only 1 time. 31 time, 41 time, that's it. So finally set contains only unique values. So this technique we will use to eliminate the duplicates. For example, I am taking a list object. Suppose I am taking city is a list. Suppose your first candidate or employee is from Hyderabad. Second employee also from Hyderabad. Next Delhi. Pune. Next is from Pune. Hyderabad. In this way, many cities that you have. If the question is like this, from how many cities? Your employees or customers, whatever it may be, are aware. Even though there are thousands of elements, but all employees are from basically from 3 cities only. Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune. I want that result. To do this, the first step, just to convert that into set. Set is the function to convert list into set object. Now check the value of the user. Duplicates will be eliminated from that. Previously duplicated values, now Delhi 1 time, Hyderabad 1 time, and Pune 1 time. Now we have only 3 unique values. Just apply the len function for this. Len of u city. So here u city is a set object. For that you are applying len function. I got 3 elements. Understood? This is set. Once again, look into this dictionary. What is the dictionary's products? Our second example of the dictionary here. Today, what we have created. Okay. How many unique brands are there? I want to know. Of course, in this example, everything is unique. Let me add a few more things. Products of P4 equal to is a tuple. The value I am giving a tuple. It's a laptop. Let's say brand is LG again. Price 50. And one more product If I am adding, it's a mobile. Its brand is also LG. 90%. The last product I'm keeping here is 6. Now observe here, totally 11 products here, 6 products that I have. Already 3, now other 3. Already 3 products. Okay. And one more. Check all the pairs once again. Totally how many pairs that we have? 6 pairs. Product ID is key, the product information as well. Now my question is like this. The task. How many unique brands that you are selling? Think that you are a seller now. You have a shop, you are selling these 6 products. But these 6 products are from different brands. So in Dell you have two products. In LG you have 3 products. Okay, here mobile, let me keep this for the P5. We do modify for P5. Comma missed. Now LG will come into the second place. Just check the values. So in LG I have 3 products, and in Vivo I have 1 product. Totally how many unique brands? How many brands that I am selling? 3 brands only: Dell, LG, Vivo. Okay. So how to get it? Through the programming. So how many? The task is like this: how many unique brands that you are selling? First, whenever you ask about the brands, first separate only the brands. To separate the brands, what is the expression? Your for loop style expression for loop. What is a for loop? For k in products. So at each iteration, the key is coming into the k. Up to now, check the value. Only keys you will get. Okay, only keys. But I don't want keys. I want brands. But brand is independently not available. Brand is the value. Entire value is a tuple. Just I'm fetching only the values now. Observe products of k. Only values I will get. That means tuples I will get. From each tuple, the second one is brand. Okay, that's why here I am saying of 1. Now check this. Only brands I will get. Up to now, understood all of you. Only brands have been separated here. But this is a list. This list I am converting into set. Whenever I apply set, I will get only unique values. LG 1 time, Dell 1 time, Vivo 1 time. Now for this, I am applying len function. Now I have 3 brands. So your question is how many unique brands that you are selling? My answer is here 3. It doesn't matter how many pairs are here, how many pairs and how many brands are here. But only you need to know if it is a tuple, what is the position of the brand you should know. Understand? Similarly, how many unique products, how many products you are selling? That means how many product categories. Total number of products is 6. But product categories are 3: TV, mobile, laptop. TV, mobile, laptop. Got it? So how many product categories? So you please try, sir. I will help you here if mistaken. First you tell me expression for loop. How do you iterate the loop through the dictionary? For K in dictionary. Dictionary is products. I want value. Products of K. Now all the values, but each value is a tuple. In the tuple, first one is your be eliminated, and you will get a dictionary, sorry, set object. Now duplicates will be eliminated. Now apply the length function, because my question is how many product categories? Apply the length. The product, all the product categories I'm getting. I have three product categories. Three product categories, three brands that I have. Yes, Murali. Okay, all of you. So this is what today's story of our practice. So before coming to the tomorrow class, please finish this practice. I will share this document to you. And please do that assignment also, sir. I have given assignment for the bank accounts example. Okay. Do try. If any mistake is there, I will rectify. Just I posted into Zoom chat, sir. Please check the link. I just give you one email ID, sir. Do that. Just submit that. I will type here. Or else in this document only I keep here. Where is the assignment we have described? Here. Submit, complete. Already for the first three steps, code is already there. Just to do that existed code, just add this functionality. So tomorrow I will take one new email ID from the Coursevita. Okay, I will ask the team to create one email ID. So next onwards, official email ID I will give you. For now, just use the personal email ID. So do this, you please submit. Okay. Please confirm me that the link is opened or not. I shared you the link, the course, today's entire notes. If not opened, I will resend again. Yeah. Okay, right, fine. Okay, sir. Thank you. Let's meet tomorrow.